Hey there floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I want to talk about how you can partner with other local businesses in your area to help you grow your own floor cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, otherwise known as Ads Grow Business, and we specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing and one thing only, getting floor cleaning businesses like yours, whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, etc., booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside of our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So let's talk about partnering with non-competitive businesses that serve the same clientele. Partnering with a non-competitive business that serves the same clientele can be a great way to promote your business in the local network. Once you've established a relationship, you can cross-promote each other's services through your email lists, flyers, coupons, or by engaging them through social media. Don't be afraid to get creative to maximize the promotional value of the partnership. Here's some ideas of who you could partner with in the local area where you can help each other grow your respective businesses. So realtors, they obviously have people come in and go in all the time, do you know what I mean? So they need the carpets clean, people are buying, selling houses, you've got viewings, and so they need to do the whole staging thing for people to come and view the property. So typically, you know, they're going to be needing some kind of carpet cleaner in terms of cleaning the carpets before those viewings take place. And by the same token, maybe many of your clients are thinking about selling or are looking to sell, and it'd be very easy for you to hand out a flyer or something like that, or to do a post on social media, or to do an email marketing campaign to say that you've partnered with these guys. And if you're thinking about selling or you're looking to buy, this is the guy to connect with, this is the woman to connect with, and if you do, you're going to get X% discount on their services, So realtors is a great potential partner in terms of sending business each other's way. Janitorial, house cleaning, many janitorial services don't offer professional carpet cleaning or hardwood floor cleaning, for example. They'll do the house cleaning, as in like the surfaces and stuff like that, but they don't have, for example, like a truck mount and all the proper high-end pro gear. So quite often, you know, if somebody's getting their house cleaned, there's a good chance they're going to want their carpets cleaned as well, and vice versa. So connecting with a janitorial company is a great way for you to kind of help each other grow each other's business. You know, you can have a little flyer for the janitorial company when you're in the home cleaning carpet, and they can have the same on your end. Likewise, you can leverage email marketing, social media, so on and so forth. Restaurants typically need to get their carpets, their floors clean. They've got people coming in and out all the time, and by the same token, they've got like homeowners, customers, hundreds of them, or maybe not hundreds, but loads every single day, sat on their tables and chairs, all of which may also be interested in your carpet cleaning services. You could have some flyers on the front desk, on the reception, by the entrance, something like that. When the guy brings the bill, you could drop your business card out there, something like that, and you can help each other out. You know, if he does like an email campaign with the latest restaurant specials every month or every week, you could also put in there a couple of lines about how they've partnered with you guys. And if you want to get your carpets cleaned, like click this link, schedule a call, quote this restaurant name, and you'll get a discount. Likewise, you know, to your list of customers that are local, you could do an email campaign for the restaurant with 10% off the bill or something like that, or free drink at the bar. Yeah, restaurants are a great type of business to partner with, to pass business each other's way. Lawn care, I mean, these guys are out doing the outside, doing the lawns, putting the pest control down on the plants and stuff like that, keeping everything looking nice outside. Typically, people that are prepared to pay, that have their lawns taken care of outside, they're going to need their carpets cleaned as well. It's something that they probably would pay to have done. So again, this is a great business that you could connect with and pass business each other's way. I mean, like literally, if it was me, I would go on Google, search lawn care in your area, look for the number one guy with the number one reviews, the top guy, the top lawn care company, call him up or her up, invite him out for dinner, invite him out for a beer if they want to chat about it, and say, hey, look, how do you feel about passing business each other's way? I'm serving 50, 60, whatever it is, carpet cleaning clients every single month. I'll be happy to drop some flyer out or do some email blast talking about your lawn care. If you're prepared to do the same for me, let me know. Boom. And then there you go. Do you know what I mean? I mean, that could be huge. Pest control is another one. Typically, if you've got some problem with mice, rats, cockroaches, ants, anything like that, probably going to need to get your carpets cleaned. Vets, right? Vets is huge. A lot of people with pets, dogs, cats, etc., because the pets often make a mess of the carpets or the floors, they need their floors cleaned. You know, pet owners are probably some of your best, most repetitive customers in your floor cleaning business. What other kind of business do pet owners use? Vets, right? So how about you do a deal with vets and see if you can get some flyers on the front counter, some leaflet on the front counter of the vet studio. Again, do some kind of email blast, something like that. And again, maybe you can do some special or some discount. The vet can do some kind of discount. Maybe you can do like an email blast, something like that. Or you can have like some little flyer, and when you're in a home that's got pets, like, hey, just to let you know, we're partnered with these guys. If you ever need any veterinary services, go speak to these, and you're going to get a little discount because you've used us, our carpet cleaning service. So here's a few examples as inspiration, a few ideas. Like literally spend a couple of days thinking about all the different businesses that you could partner with in your local area. Get on the phone, hit them up, see if you can get them out for a drink, get to know them, and see if together you can kind of put a plan together to send business each other's way. And you know, you do that with a few different types of business. Like if you were to do that with all of these on top of the advertising that you might be doing or other things that you're doing to promote your business, I'm sure that this is going to generate you some customers. It's just a numbers game. So if you're partnered with enough people and all the rest of it, I'm sure that that's going to generate you some interest in your company and some new customers without a doubt. So it's definitely like worth doing. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. And if you'd like to find out more information about how we can work with you on a one-on-one basis to take your floor cleaning business to the next level with our specialist digital marketing system, head down to the description below where you'll find a link and more information. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.